going on, everybody? It's Franz here at my girlfriend's house. There she is. We are getting ready now to go to the Philippines. As many of you guys know, I'm going home. I'm going home after 10 years. We're done packing. I think we're done packing. Hopefully we're done packing. But yeah, we're gonna head down to hang out with Danica and Ron first before we go to my other house. And then my mother will drop us off at the airport. I live like 10 minutes away from the airport, so that's nice. Anyways, subscribe to the channel if you want to stay tuned with the Philippines trip. Currently just waiting for Ilora's sister because she's gonna give us like is there sleeping pills? Is it sleeping pills? Grovel? Something like that. I don't know what it is. Alright, so I'll see you guys soon. We are now heading out. Just getting the car ready. Ilora still has, oh my gosh, this is the lightest thing ever. I don't have a lot of things in my carry-on, but yeah, it's a beautiful day for a flight. Time to go see Ron and Danica first before we leave. Yep. Officially leaving the house now, on our way to the airport. That's my cousin. We are now heading home to the Philippines. My mom's dropping us off, and that's my aunt. At the airport now, lots of baggages and luggages, so yeah, let's have some fun. Heading over to the second floor where the departures are, because we were at the arrivals part. That's it for us. We're heading out. Goodbye. Okay, we have to take pictures. So we are now in Calgary Airport, passed through security, waiting for our flight. Our boarding is at 10:50. It's only 10. But yeah, we're just chilling. I'm wearing my chinelas. I was too lazy to put shoes on, but I'm excited for this trip.
I'd like to invite those guests from Zone 2 on your boarding pass. Come forward now for boarding. Zone 2.
That's us. We were supposed to board the plane at 10:50. It is now almost 11:15. That's okay. We have time to spend.
Hello.
Hi, 18. Arrived in Vancouver. Now we gotta go catch a flight, another gate. So after we get the boarding passes sorted out, I think we're gonna go grab some late dinner. It's around midnight already. Pretty hungry, so let's go find D58. I bought a couple of pastries for myself and the girlfriend. Time to eat. This is some pretty solid food, check it out. Finally boarding our Taipei flight. It is almost 1:20. So that's that. I'll see you guys inside the plane. Oh, good. See.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're ready for takeoff.
Into our own flight. I'm speaking on top of this camera. I'm gonna try to catch some sleep. Long ways more to go. Anyway, see you guys when we land in Taipei. Arrived at Taipei. Gotta go find gate A5 now. Let's get going. So before we could get into our own terminal, we had to go through another security check. That was by far the funniest one ever. Like, the guy who was checking our baggages was legit on his phone. It was just him checking baggages. He was on his phone. It looked like he just literally woke up 5 minutes ago. That was quite funny, actually. Alright, a lot of the stores are still closed because it's only 4 a.m. here. Starting our final descent to Manila. We're finally here. So we just landed, officially home. Welcome back after 10 years for me, 3 years for her. Vacation starts now. Officially at my grandma's house here in Philippines. We are unpacking for a bit because we do have a lot of pasalubongs for her, which is, what's pasalubong in English? Gifts. Bring back gifts. I'm gonna rest. I changed it to shorts because I literally lost 10 pounds coming off the plane. So I'm gonna rest a bit and see where we go tonight. We are now getting ready to go to my other house where my mom used to live and all the uncles from my mom's side used to live. Go see my cousins. Yeah. Oh man, I had a good nappy. Let's go see my cousins. Hello!
Hello!
What's up?
Okay lang po yan. Hello!
Yeah!
Okay lang.
Ano, mas ang pagluluto?
Diyan lang pala kayo eh.
Ganun lang.
Uy, may kanina.
Oo eh. Gulat to eh. Kuya Franz! We got some solid food tonight. We got some deep fried fish, pakbet, and adobo. Real Filipino cooking. My cousins cooked. We are now back at my grandma's house after lots of dinner. Yeah. Time to fix up the luggages for tomorrow's flight. Check out this old school Anyways, that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.